Good morning, students of class 3B. In this video class of mathematics, today we will solve revision exercise 9. Question number 1. Tick the correct answer. Question number A. Quantity of milk in a cup measured in. There are 4 options. Option number 1 is liters. Option number 2 is milliliters. Option number 3 is kiloliters. And option number 4 is none of these. Quantity of milk in a cup. Cup, that may be cup of tea. So in that, quantity of milk will be measured in milliliter. Option number 2 is the correct answer. So you tick option number 2 in this way. Then in question number B, which is a better estimate for the capacity of water bottle? Water bottle contains water in liter. Here options are 2 milliliter, 2 liter, 2 kiloliter, none of these. As I told you, the capacity of water in a water bottle is measured in liter. So in option number 2 you are seeing there is 2 liter. So this may be the capacity of the water bottle. Question number C. Which is better estimate for the capacity of a nail polish bottle? Nail polish, that is very small container in which nail polish is kept, and a small container will contain a small quantity, and a small quantity is measured in milliliter. You have 4 options. Option number 1 is 10 liter. Option number 2 is 10 kiloliter. Option number 3 is 10 milliliter. Option number 4 is none of these. As I told you, the capacity of nail polish in a nail polish bottle will be measured in milliliter. So you are seeing in option number 3, the measure is given in milliliter. So option number 3 will be the correct answer. In this way, we write this type of answers. In question number D, which is better estimate for the capacity of bucket of water? Water is measured in a bucket in a liter. And here you have 4 options. Option number 1 is 15 milliliter. Option number 2 is 15 liter. Option number 3 is both are equal. And option number 4 is none of these. As I told you, water in a bucket is measured in liter. So in option number 2, you are seeing there is 15 liter. That will be the answer. You tick. Which is better estimate for the capacity of a cup of a bottle of syrup? Cup, from a bottle of syrup, syrup is measured in a cup in milliliter. And you have these 4 options. Option number 1 is 10 milliliter. Option number 2 is 10 liter. Option number 3 is 10 kiloliter. Option number 4 is none of these. So in option number 1 you are saying 10 milliliter is given. So the better estimate for the capacity of a cup of a bottle of syrup will be 10 milliliter. You tick this answer, option number 1. In this way we completed the multiple choice questions. Now in question number 2 is convert the following into milliliters. In A, liter is given. In B, liter and milliliter both is given. And in C also, liter and milliliter both is given. Both are given. And we are asked to convert these quantities into milliliter. Let us see the solution of question number 2. Question number 2A. In this 9 liter is given and you are asked to change this into milliliter. You know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So I wrote here 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 9 liter equal to 9 into 1000 equal to 9000 milliliter. Then question number B, 3 liter 126 milliliter. You are asked to change this into milliliter. You know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So this 3 liter equal to 3 into 1000, that is equal to 3000 milliliter. So 3 liter 126 milliliter equal to this 3000 plus this 126 will be added, because these two 3000 and 126 both are in milliliter. So these two quantities will be added. So for 3 liter I wrote here 3000 from here, and this 126 is added, and in this way we got 3126 milliliter. Therefore 3 liter 126 milliliter equal to 3126 milliliter. Question number C. Question is 4 liter 125 milliliter. You are asked to change this quantity into milliliter. You know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 4 liter equal to 4 into 1000 equal to 4000 milliliter. Therefore 4 liter 125 milliliter equal to this 4000 plus this 125 will be added, because both are in milliliter. So this addition became 4125 milliliter. Therefore 4 liter 125 milliliter equal to 4125 milliliter. Question number 3. Convert the following into liters and milliliters. 3a 7000 milliliter. We are asked to change this into liter. You know 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. In the previous question number 2, you had used 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, but now here we will use 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. I wrote here 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So 7000 milliliter equal to this 7000 milliliter by 1000. 7000 by 1000. So this 000 and this 000 are cut. 7 by 1 is left. If 1 is coming as denominator, then no value of that one, only 7 is left. 7 liter became the answer. Means 7000 milliliter equal to 7 liter. Now question number B. This is 1600 milliliter. We are asked to change this into liter and milliliter both. We wrote 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Therefore 1600 milliliter equal to 1600 by 1000. So this 00 and 00 cancelled. You have 16 by 10. I wrote here, since 10 is coming, therefore we will keep decimal counting one digit. 10 is coming, so we will count one digit from right hand side. I counted one digit from right hand side, that is 6, and after 6 we will keep decimal. This is the decimal, or you say point. So 16 by 10 became 1.6 liter. So before decimal, that is in liter, and after decimal, that is in milliliter. So 1.6 liter became 1 liter 6 milliliter. Therefore 1600 milliliter equal to 1 liter 6 milliliter. Now come to question number C, that is 8101 milliliter. We are asked to change this into liter and milliliter. I wrote 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Therefore 8101 milliliter equal to 8101 by 1000. So here in the numerator there is no 0 at last, so we cannot cancel the 0. In denominator we are seeing there are 3 zeros, so we will keep decimal counting 3 digits from right hand side. Because there are 3 zeros, so we will count 3 digits from right hand side. 1, 2, 3. After this we will keep decimal here. I wrote 8.101 liter. So before decimal, that is in liter, and after decimal, that is in milliliter. So it became 8 liter 101 milliliter. Question number 4. Write the columns and find the sum. Question number 4a. 16 liter 170 milliliter and 12 liter 408 milliliter. I have made the column of liter and milliliter. In the column of liter, I wrote 16. In the column of milliliter, I wrote 170. Again, in the column of liter, I wrote 12. And in the column of milliliter, I wrote 408. Then I added. At first, we add the smaller unit. In these two, smaller unit is milliliter. So we add the ones place at first. 0 plus 8, 8, 7 plus 0, 7, 1 plus 4, 5. Now we come to the column of liter to add these two numbers. We add the ones place at first. 6 plus 2, 8, and 1 plus 1, 2. So this addition became 28 liter 578 milliliter. Question number B. 9 liter 300 milliliter and 8 liter 8 milliliter. I wrote the columns of liter and milliliter. In the column of liter I wrote 9. In the column of milliliter I wrote 300. Again in the column of liter I wrote 8, and in the column of milliliter I wrote this 8. Now you see this arrangement. Here is 300 and here is only 8. So this 8 will come below of one's digit of 300. One's digit of 300 is this 0. Below of this 0, this 8 will come. We will write below of this 0, 8. So it became 8, 0, 0, 8. Now we add the smaller unit at first, milliliter. Ones place, 0 plus 8, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 0, 3. And then we add the column of liter, 9 and 8 equal to 17. So this sum became 17 liter 308 milliliter. Now question number C. 14 liter 126 milliliter and 60 liter 52 milliliter. I made the column of liter and milliliter. In the column of liter I wrote 14. In the column of milliliter I wrote 126. Similarly, in the column of liter I wrote 16, and in the column of milliliter I wrote 52. Now see the arrangement of 52. Here in milliliter there is 126 and here is only 52. Means there is hundreds place, ones, tens and hundreds place, and here is only ones and tens place. So these two will be written below of tens ones place, and 5 will be written below of tens place. Below of 100 place there will be 0. In this way we arrange the numbers. Now we add the smaller unit, that is milliliter. Ones place of a smaller unit milliliter is 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Then tens place, 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Then hundreds place, 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Then we come to the column of liter to add 14 and 16. At first we add ones place, 4 plus 6, 10. 0 of 10 will come here. That 1 will come here. The 1 is carried here. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So this sum became 30 liter 170 milliliter.